Turkish Aerospace Industry (TAI) has begun the assembly of the TFX, the country's home-built fifth-generation fighter jet. A half-assembled prototype of the jet has been showcased in a video, posted to a YouTube channel belonging to Turkish defense journal Savunma Sanayii Dergilik. The footage was filmed during a ceremony on November 23, 2022, which took place at a TAI facility where the assembly line was unveiled. Hopefully, we are at the beginning of the end. We are opening the first curtain of this work. Our job will be finished when our aircraft is successfully operational. We have opened the curtain, but we still have a long way to go, Ismail Demir, the president of Turkey's Defense Industry Agency, said at the ceremony. According to Demir, the rollout ceremony for the jet has been scheduled for March 18, 2022, with assembly expected to be completed by that date. The TFX prototype is expected to take off on its maiden flight by 2025, and the aircraft is planned to enter service by 2025, earlier reports have suggested. Along with upcoming combat drones, such as Bayraktar Kiziloma, the TFX is intended to replace the Turkish Air Force's aging fleet of F-4 and F-16 fighter jets. The development of the KFX began in 2011 and was accelerated by the government in the mid-2010s when Turkey was dropped from the US-led F-35 program due to purchasing the Russian S-300 air defense system. The KFX is expected to be a fifth-generation fighter jet, with many of its features broadly similar to the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The TFX is a twin-engine, multi-role aircraft project primarily designed for air-to-air missions, but it can also be employed for air-to-ground missions. On August 5, 2016, the primary contract for the TFX Indigenous Design and Development Program was signed between the Ministry of Turkish National Defense's Under-Secretariat for Defense Industries, SSM, and Turkish Aerospace. According to TAI, Turkey will become one of the few nations with the required technology, engineering infrastructure, and capabilities needed to produce a fifth-generation or beyond fighter plane once all crucial features, such as improved situational awareness, sensor fusion, low observability, weapon bay, and so on, have been incorporated into the TFX program. While the manufacturer has highlighted these features on multiple occasions, the display at Pakistan Ideas 2022 stood with a banner that divulged more specific information. The banner read, "The aircraft will provide air dominance through precise and accurate strike capability at high speed, high performance of radar, electronic warfare, electro-optic, communication and navigation, and air superiority with support of AI and multi-sensor data fusion." Turkey's future National Combat Aircraft, TFX, is expected to make its first flight in the next 3 years, and the prototype will be ready by 2023. Turkey has already been attracting customers by displaying mock-ups in air show exhibitions. The first full-scale mock-up was displayed at the Singapore Air Show, which became its first-ever Asian display. The display in Pakistan is significant but not shocking, as Turkey is one of its most important defense partners. As previously reported by Eurasian Times, Pakistan is set to receive cutting-edge Turkish UAVs like Akinci and TB2 drones that have proved their efficacy in Ukraine. In addition to the TFX display, a Turkish defense manufacturing firm, XSDT, signed a contract with the Pakistan Air Force (PAF) to develop systems that will offer pilots tactical training through stimulation at the exhibition.